Hello. This is a little short video about something that I want to discuss real quickly. So this is a painting that I'm working on. It's about a third of the way done. And there's something I want to talk about, and it's detail versus abstraction. So if you look at these bricks here, they're overly detailed, meaning that I can see too many of them versus how brushy everything else is. It doesn't make sense to have one specific area be over detailed if one, it's not the main focus, and two, if it doesn't match anything else. Up here we have the shingles on the roof where I did this same texture with and then softened it, because if you look at the background with the trees, they're equally softened. So you always want to keep in mind of one of the principles of design that talks about unity. Unity means that everything in the picture looks like it makes sense, like it's related, like it belongs together. So having said this, I have to come and soften the bricks on the bottom, and there's a couple of ways for me to do that. But the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to take a brush and I'm just literally going to smear it together. So some of the detail is going to stick and some of it's not. Some of it's going to get faded away, and that's fine because I want it to match the rest of the picture. Abstraction doesn't mean making something look like splatters everywhere or, making the figure look bizarre and unrecognizable. Abstraction just means you take something that's realistic and you modify it enough to where it's not an exact replica. And the more you modify it, the more of an abstraction it becomes. So see, now we can still tell that these are bricks, but they're much more softened and they match the rest of the picture. I'm going to work on that a little bit more, but I just wanted to talk about that one little issue.